Hey, Kalam here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this type of eye kissing, hugging, and handshake video using absolutely free method. First, I'm going on Canva. Canva is absolutely video and photo editing software you can use right now for free. So first I import these two image, then I need to download as a PNG. Once you've done it, you and going on a hailuo AI, because this is very easy, and drag and drop video creation, image to video creations, then click on image to video, then upload your image here. So I upload here, then right here handshake and hug each others. I write here handshake and hug each others with happy mode. Once you have done it, you need to click on this icon, but again you need to select this option and number 1 and number 2. I always prefer to number 2 because this is very recent updated version. Then click on here. You need only few minutes or second. It's depend on your internet speed, so it's already processing right now. When it's finished, you need to click on here are on download button exactly in this here. You can see these videos are really amazing and perform well. So you can see how I create this video using this AI tool. It's called like hailuo AI. So it's for absolutely for free. So if you want to update your plan, here are very cheap price only. So again, repeat this link I will in my video description. So see you next video. Take care. Goodbye.